guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are just visiting for the first time, please, I beg you, kindly like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on your notification, whatever you have to do to make my YouTube channel pop. Please do it. I love you. Okay, let's get right to it, please. This is a very interesting topic for me, myself, and I. So you're a man and you want to date a woman who's doing very well for herself, and you do not have money. You do not have ego, and all you want to offer is good sex. It doesn't make any sense, okay? For instance, I'm using myself as an example. I have had enough sex that can last me for a lifetime. Yes, till I meet my husband or whatever. Like, it can be tiring. Because at the end of the day, if you're just a man that doesn't have his shit together and all you do is stress the woman, then I'm sorry, it's wrong, brother. It is wrong. I mean, guess what? Vice versa. Nobody wants a liability. No man wants to be with a woman that cannot cater for herself. That if you want tissue paper, baby, give me money to buy tissue. Baby, give me money for my hair. Baby, give me money. See, let me tell you, if you want a man to be able to take care of you, you should be able to take care of yourself. Because if I'm a man, I'm not about to come and start stressing myself, trying to, if you cough, you want me to do that. No, hell no. So vice versa. At the end of the day, nobody wants any liability. The man wants an independent woman that he can say, oh, baby, can you quickly do this for me? Can you quickly send a couple of $millions? I'm going to send it to you like in 2 seconds. I'm just busy in a meeting. And you'll be like, oh, yeah, I'll do that. You know what I mean? And then, it's a mutual agreement. At the end of the day, you want both parties to be very comfortable. And yeah, I get it. Your man must look after you, take care of you. Very important. So anyway, today I'm talking to the niggas out there, to the men, to the brothers, my Nigerian brothers. If you know you don't have your shit together, don't come for a woman that has her shit together and try to mess it up. Don't come and start trying to give her the style that will mess her brain up and she will not be able to think and see road for better things ahead. If you're coming into a 30-year-old lady's life like my life, Biko, have your shit together. Because ain't nobody got time for that shit. Nobody got time for it. I don't got time for it. So you shouldn't got time for it, okay? When I say I want to be with a man, it doesn't mean he has to be a billionaire, whatever. You can be with the man and he becomes a billionaire when you guys are together. Amazing, that happens. But the fact that I have a career, I have things I'm trying to do for myself, I'm trying to better my life, I'm trying to be a better version of myself every day. And then I have this guy who is disorganized, he's never trying to contribute, to help, he's not trying to be there emotionally or whatever. Anybody will be stressed. Nobody likes that. Do you understand? It's one thing if probably you're not financially buoyant or whatever, but if you're not mentally helping the person, emotionally, psychologically, you're just there to drain the person's success or the person's strength or the person's, oh my gosh, that's hectic. That's so hectic. Being in a relationship, no vacations, no spoils, no chills, just stress. Come on. And if you know you want to be with a bougie, classy, extravagant woman or whatever, you know that you have to have certain kind of things. You know what I mean? To make her happy, behaviors or actions or certain things that she likes. But if you're just there to drain the person's energy, I find that very hectic, and I think people should stop because it's not fair. Or you're struggling and suffering and whatever, but your eyes is so big that you want that thing up there. How about you work so hard so you can afford to take care of that person and still give the kind of lifestyle that person is used to? That's why I don't understand when, for instance, you're used to a certain lifestyle and that you love, and all of a sudden you meet this person and you want to just hide yourself. You want to start pretending you don't like those things. You want to start pretending, oh no, I don't do this, oh I don't do this, oh I don't do this, because you think that's what will make the person like you. I don't understand. If a man cannot accept you for who you are, what's the point? Why are you faking? Why are you pretending to be what you're not? There's no point. Stop trying so hard to impress anyone, because the amazing thing of the universe, I always say this because trust me, it works. Whoever is meant for you would love you. That's why, like, sometimes people's like, oh, why do you love this person? I really don't know. I can express it. I love this person. I just love everything about them. Their flaws, their excesses. So stop trying so hard to make anyone, like, if you don't love me, if I'm not your kind of girl, for instance, there are some men, I'm not their kind of girl. Some men will tell you, I don't want any girl that is this out there. No matter how pretty you are, that's what they want, right? They will tell you, I want certain kind of girls. And it's okay. And there are also some girls that will say, I don't want certain kind of men. People have preferences. Like, it's okay to have your likes, things you like, things you know. It's even good to know what you like. So you don't always end up going for things that you say, oh, let me just manage. He will change. She will change. He will change. And then you're just, before you know, you're wallowing in sorrow. You're wallowing in tears. Before you know, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment. I love you all. And please, all these opinions you have, put it in the comment section, okay? Let's bring it from Instagram to YouTube real quick. Bye.